Yeah.
Hey, what is up, guys? So today is my girl's birthday. Say hi.
Hi.
How old are you today?
7.
Ooh, big girl, big girl. What style are you getting?
It's gonna be straight hair.
Ooh, you're gonna whip it back and forth. Yeah, she's been asking me to do that for the longest, so I decided that, you know, for her 7th birthday, let's do that. So she's gonna get her first silk press and professional trim. Let go. To go?
Yeah. There's water in my ear.
There's water in your ear. How you feeling, baby?
Good.
Daddy's gonna be going crazy. Bye, take care. You gotta keep that one on though. Keep it on. Step down. You forgot that thing is there. Ooh. You look so pretty. Look at that hair, Rio. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels so good. Hi.
Yeah, look at just like your mama. So cute.
Let's see. Turn around.
I love it. And shake your hair, shake it around. Ooh, I love it. Perfect.
Wait, so we're going to the clothes first? That's the size.
What size is that?
Pretty dresses over here, Bria.
Size 1.
Where's
I don't know if that's your size.
Share some tail, everybody. Get home.
This is Book Warehouse. These are books. You want books? Oh, it says toys and games.
Do you think I should take some books? I know. Which one?
Look your big giraffe.
I do think I should take books.
Anything you like?
Ew, looks disgusting.
It's getting a giraffe.
It's so heavy. It feels like 1,000 pounds.
If it was 1,000 pounds, I'm sure you wouldn't be able to.
Yeah, this one? Okay. Oh, you should do I think I'm outside. Look, that one is looking at me.
He's saying, why are you taking his sister? L'Oreal, stay close to the car. People are trying to back up.
Getting in. Come. My animal fantasy.
You're gonna have a jungle room.
Yeah.
Now this is our last stop. Well, not the last stop. Right now we're stopping at Walmart because Children's Place didn't have, they had nice jackets, but they were expensive, $79. Nope. So now we're going to Walmart.
I don't know where he was. I'm giraffe.
Crazy. Crazy girls.
Those are the things I can put the lights in.
Let's go over here, look for jackets.
Oh, it's really cute.
But these are adult jackets.
Yeah, but with a kid jacket.
Which one do you like? Yeah, I like that one too. You like the purple one?
Yeah.
But you didn't even see all of them. 7, 8. I like that one.
From the ones in
No, the one up top. The peach, yeah.
Place medium is 6, 7.
Well, no.
We have
You like it? Oh,
Yes.
you like it?
Yeah. Me too.
Turn, let me see again.
Lovely.
turn. Let me see.
Okay.
Turn.
Come. Enjoying your birthday so far?
Right.
All right, so we got the boys and Daddy. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, lunch. My God. Oh my God.
It's good.
The garbage can. So now we're going to Bree's birthday dinner to her favorite place that she picked.
Chili.
Yeah. We were gonna go see a movie, but it's too late.
Will be the Blue Lagoon Fizz. Yeah, I want the Blue Lagoon. I remember I had it before with the candy. We could do a
Scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Scoop of vanilla ice cream, and that's how much money. I have to pay money for this and this.
Yeah. But it's your birthday, so you can choose.
Well, we had chilies. I want a pepperoni pizza, mashed potatoes, and the Blue Lagoon Fizz.
Okay. What do you want?
I want this, and pepperoni pizza, and the bowl.
Okay.
I only want
Everybody got their food except birthday girl. Some you can share with me if you like.
I'll go to this.
Oh, the broccoli is salty, so you're eating the chicken. You finally got your food.
Yeah.
Hope it's worth the wait.
I can't wait for my birthday.
Is it yummy?
I know where I'm going.
Happy birthday, it's a special day. Hey, happy birthday, that's all we have to say. Hey, happy birthday.
Yay, thank you. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
I know you want some.
Look, he said happy birthday.